so today we're making such a delicious and melt in your mouth recipe. This is really fun to eat and make. So we're making yogurt jello. Now this recipe is super simple and we only need a few ingredients. So what I have done here is I have made my Greek yogurt, and if you're wondering how to make that, in the description box below I have the recipe of how to make that. And this is 350 grams of Greek yogurt. And what I've done is I took a cocktail can of fruits inside. I used all the types of fruits, but depending on what you want, you can choose your flavor. So what I've done with my cocktail can is I've strained the syrup differently with the fruit. Now here, as you can see, are my fruit with no syrup, and in here in this cooking pot is my syrup. Now this syrup is 125 grams, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour in some sugar and some unflavored gelatin for me. Now the reason I'm using unflavored gelatin is because the flavored gelatin gives it a bit of a color at the end, and I don't want that. I want a normal pure white color, and because I want it a bit more sweet, I'm adding normal sugar. So I'm going to transport this to the heat, and I'm going to just open this, and we're going to leave this in the fire until the gelatin and sugar dissolve. So my mixture has cooled off after the sugar and the gelatin has dissolved in the mixture. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pour my mixture into my Greek yogurt. So I'm just gonna put it all in there. And with a whisk, I'm gonna start mixing, and we're gonna try to make it fluff up a bit, if we can. And I forgot to tell you that I have used 4 teaspoons of sugar and 3 teaspoons of gelatin. So I have mixed very well, and this has fluffed up. And what I'm gonna do is we're gonna leave the whisk right here. I'm gonna start with our spatula, and we're gonna pour in our fruit. Now this fruit is too much, so I'm not gonna pour all of it, just some fruit. So about this much. Looks good to me, okay. So I'm going to start mixing with my spatula. And don't use a whisk for this process because we don't want to melt our fruit. We just want to make sure that they are incorporated. So this is also done. And now our mixture is done. We're going to put it in the fridge overnight so it cools. But because this is not ready for me to try, I am gonna ask my magic hand again to bring me some already made yogurt jello so I can try. Thank you very much. And now it's time to try this delicious snack. It's thick. And I love that it's not too sweet. This is a delicious snack to try. Please, so yeah, this was the video. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, so bye guys.